Sa pati, last no. Next week. Sino? Next, sa, ano yun? Parang, Sabado versus
Tawagin mo na si Kuya Sean. Kasi na ba yun?
Pero kanina, hindi talaga maganda yung kawan ng number 1. Kanina pa, naglalagay siya ng paa sa ganyan. Pagdali niya. Sinabihan na namin ni AJ. Dinali mo na si AJ. Nung una, na-viral ka na sa Facebook and everything.
Siya ba
Sana
yun?
huwag maulit. Yun ang sinabi namin. Ngayon,
Summer camp yung sa'yo ng defense.
Wala yung mako eh.
Grabe. Ang lakas naman ni Ethan. Ilan taon na yun?
Bata ko yan, mga 20.
Tawag na.
Sobrang bata ko. Kaya lakas pa ng loob.
Uy, low.
hello! Ay, ganda naman. Maganda. Hello. Yan, magkahawa tayo ng sakit dito. Pag-check sa atin ng sonte.
Ay, sa'yo to? Nagdala din ako eh.
Yung ano ah.
Binigay sa akin na si
Pero, gago ka. Uy,
Wala po eh.
uy, shot clock. Uy, 24 na. Ay, 23.
Ato Bao!
Last game na pala po. Atin na tinantay ko.
Tatawagan ko. Hindi kaya. Uber ako, Uber na lang.
Wala.
Ano oras ba
Ako
uwi siya?
bahala.
Ako saan ngayon? Ano
Black.
oras labas siya?
Simple.
Uber mo na lang. Uber mo ko sa trip ha? Bayaran kita. Ha? Uber mo ko. Oo. Mo may dala ko saan? Ko mali-mali ako. Atis ka kami. Hindi. Wala. Hindi ako nabigay yun. Christian.
Alin, magkayang batura. Ano pala pagkala?
Sinabayan ko lang yung convention na eh.
Ginarma siya. Swapang siya.
May sandaw na. Free. Ito. 320. 20.
Uli na, taas kamay ah!
Yung nakascore.
Ito.
Number 6 to number... Oh. Line! Silip-silip sa line, guys.
Ayan! Taas kamay!
On the way na pala daw.
Dong.
On the way na.
Hindi pa rin siya.
Ano? 540.
50 seconds in the shot clock, guys. 10 seconds.
540 siya mali.
Score is 6-5.
Depende kung mag-highway siya.
Two points by number 20.
Kasi ang iniisip ko mamaya, ano pa, kumain ka,
Lumabas na ulan! Lumabas na ulan!
Eh, 7 pa naman to eh.
Ten seconds in the shot clock. White ball. Last lap ako.
Sakto lang oras. 7.
Foul. That's your first personal foul, second team foul. Black ball. Black ball. 50 seconds in the shot clock, guys. 15 seconds in the shot clock. 2 points by number 13. Seconds in the shot clock. 2 points by number 0. The score is 9-8, guys. It's a trouble. White ball. Foul number 26.
Dapat pasaan na natin si Jada.
One ball. You have 30 seconds in the shot clock. 10 seconds in the shot clock. Stolen me.
Stop now. Kuya,
Oh. 2 points by number 6.
number ano? Netball.
Time out.
Time out. Stop. Right?
Only stop. Time out.
Time
Just
out.
stop for now. Not time out.
Wala. To number 0 to number all the way. Wala.
Stop!
Stop. Ay, mic pala. Nakalimutan ko na, mic pala. Yan. Number 7. 3.
Ay, ito lang daw.
2 points.
Number 7.
Two balls by number 6. Two balls by number 0. Haba.
Dalawa po. First half, dalawa. Top na sa kanila.
Time out. Netball. On netball.
Time out.
Huwag kayo magsapat, time out na sila. Time out! Downtown! Sisi yung pinagnahanap eh. Three balls by number 6.
Kuya, gini mo.
Oh!
2 balls by number 26. 2 points.
Walang depensa.
Depensa na. You have 10 seconds in the shot clock. 8 minutes and 50 seconds in the time, guys. Second quarter. Number 0 to number 17, stolen by number 8. Number 0 to number 7. Number 3. Boy by number 0. Yung kita kami ito. Pensa. Stolen by number 26. You have 7 minutes and 55 seconds in the time, guys. 50 seconds in the shot clock. Then
Depensa tayo, depensa.
3 points. Ha? 3 points si naka-ponytail.
6.
Sanay pati sa
Points sino? Ay, hindi ko alam.
Taas kayo.
3 points, 6 ulit. 3 points?
Bawi.
3 points by number 6.
Sorry lang, sorry lang.
Ay!
3 points by number 6.
Grabe ba?
The score is 27-25. Laban pa rin ng downtown. Wow! Number 10, that's your first personal foul. 14 foul. Shooting by 27. Pasok. The score is 89. Stall 3. Lane. 3. Seconds in the shot clock, guys. 50 seconds in the shot clock. 10 seconds in the shot clock. 2 points by number 6.
Kuya, dikit lang tayo. Hindi ko sila nakita. Thank you. Hindi.
Time out later, time out. Three, 2 points, the number 6.
Sub daw ka. Sub daw ah.
2 points.
2 daw. Na-shoot ba?
Wala. 3.
Ayun na si ano.
Kami ang pinag-ibisan. Hirap ko na hanap ko muna. May aral na tayo sa mga 2 points by number 36.
7.
Stop.
8 seconds left. Rebound number 10. Number 7. For 3. Bang. 39-27. Order. Nice pass.
Sub.
Substitution.
Pasok. Y27. Bagang. Sub.
Free throw number
Ay, kuya,
22.
mamaya, mamaya.
First shot. No good.
Second basket.
Second shot.
Sub. 28-39.
Nice pass. Number 10. Fade away. No good. Number 30. Pushing the pace. Number 5. And one.
Akala ko sa bahay. 30. Second quarter. First half.
Rebound. Number 20. 29 seconds left. For 3. Bang. 17 seconds left. Wow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 26, Jello holding the ball. Number 26, ISO. And one. Number 26. Holy shot. Number 26.
Ay, ako. Ay, mamaya. Meron ako dito. Sa phone ko. Pasok.
Jan holding the ball. To the corner for three.
May tap ako.
Number 6 holding the ball.
May tap ako dito.
Number 13. To Jello. Jello. To number 26. Corner is good for number 26. Also, foul. Number 5. Block foul. Substitution on the floor. 17 lead.
Dalawa na.
And out. Number 20. Triple threat. Kick it out. In the corner. That's good. 3. Point. Rebound, number 26. Jalen holding the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. That's good. 2 points. Right goal. Number 6 holding the ball. For 3.
Ayaw mo na?
Bang! Number 20 holding the ball. Wide open. No good. Number 26. Steal by JM. For 3. Oh, it's a dime. Miss. Rebound, number 26. 6. Behind the back. What a pass. It's good. JM. Holding the ball. Another corner. No good. Rebound, offensive rebound, no good. Number 6, pushing the base. Up step. Number 6 for 3. Bang! From downtown. 46-46 in your score. Number 0, ISO. In the corner. For 3. Bang! Uncle Drew with the lead. Yung kabila pala. Number 13, drop pass. Fake. Turnover. Two back there. It's a foul. Number 5. That's your third personal foul. Substitution on the floor. Inbound. 17 wide open. Bang! For 3. Number 7. Stepping. No good. Number 0. Pushing the base. Number 0. Cut. By number 17. Floater. Open. Rebound. Number 0. On the ground. Floater. No good. Offensive rebound. 2 points. For number 26. 54-46. Downtown with the lead.
White, 0. Hit.
14 minutes and 57 seconds left from the ball game. Inbound number 26. Number 7 holding the ball. 26. Pull-up jumper. No good. Rebound by Downtown. Number 0. Made it with an 8-second mark. With the screen. On the wing for 3. No good. Rebound number 26. 3-on-1 fast break. Points by Uncle Drew. Fourteen minutes left from the ball game. Uncle Drew. With the screen. For 3 is a foul. 3-point shot from the free throw line for number 6. Rigo. First shot. No good. Rigo, second shot. No good. 3 free throws tayo para kay Rigo. Rigo, final shot. No good. 0 out of 3 from the free throw line. Update, Golden State Warriors, natalo sila. Dahil kay James Harden. 2 points. Number 20, holding the ball. Floater is good for number 20. Uncle Drew with the ball. Jello looking for a man. First 6, forcing up. Kobe. Rebound by Uncle Drew. Offensive rebound. What a steal. JM all the way. 3 points. Uncle Drew, timeout sa basket. Number 7. Asking for screen. Number 26, triple threat. Triple threat. With a spin. 7. Number 6. Looking for a man. Time out. Uncle Drew.
Ay, natakpan. Okay, diretso mo. 56. 50, 56. 50.
Every time. Yeah, di match siya. Well, okay,
56.
is our score.
Hihintay ka lang.
Start mo na. Start mo na.
3 remaining timeouts
Tatlo second left.
for downtown. Steal by downtown. What a steal by Uncle Drew. Steal by downtown. He's right, but wide open. No good. Offensive rebound, out of bounds. Uncle Drew ball. Uncle Drew with the ball. Number 6, asking for a screen. Pass to the wing. 2 points, no good. Number 6 with the board. JM holding the ball.
Pinapakita ko yan. Thank you.
Screen left. JM with the spin. No good. Outlet pass. Wide open. Number 7. Basket. Next. Red ball for downtown. Number 6. Number 6 with a steal. Out of bounds for Uncle Drew.
Time out! Time out! White.
Mga kuya, pinita mo, pinapakita. Thank you.
Foul number 13.
Number 26, first shot, basket. Mariana, second shot. No good.
Nice rebound.
Offensive rebound, what a block by number 13. Substitution on the floor.
Substitution.
Number 18, number 13. Up, up. Number 6 to the wing. Number 7, super layup, no good. Rebound, foul. Number 0, blocking foul.
Verbal foul.
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Downtown with the 7-point lead. Second shot. Basket is good. Downtown with the ball. 59.
Nice play, nice
Downtown,
play.
2 points. Number 20, bring the ball down. For 3. basket. Number 7.
Ikaw, bakit ba yan ito?
Number 20 holding the ball. To number 0, JM with a speed move. Pull up.
Sub.
Down. Substitution on the board. Number 5 in. Number 26 out. A close game, 64-56. Joe, basket.
Pasok.
Second shot, no good. Rebound, number 8, Uncle Drew. Trying to force. Oh, out of bounds. Uncle Drew ball. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Number 6 to number 8. Number 5 with the screen. Number 8, what a pass. Pushing up. Blocked by downtown. By Rigo. What a good defense by downtown. Number 5, inbounds. Nice screen. Oh, it's a turnover. Downtown, 2 points for number 0. It's a half-court press by downtown. Man-to-man defense, number 6 for 3. Rebound, number 8. What a drop pass. Let's go. 2 points for number 5. Number 26. With a dribble, Rigo chose to shoot a 3-point. From downtown. Uncle Drew. Long 2. 7. Close shot. Basket. For Uncle Drew. 17-16 is our score. 4 minutes and 45 seconds left on the ball game. From the corner for 3 straight, no good. Out of bounds. Michael is on 5. Uncle Drew with the inbound. They have 4 minutes and 20 seconds left to make a run. Number 26, 2 points, it's a foul. Downtown with a 10-point lead. Number 26, 2 shots. First basket. No good.
Malana.
Next, dead ball, time, substitution I mean. Number 26, second shot, basket.
Sub.
Substitution on the ball. Number 27 in, number 26 out. Downtown with 9-point lead, 3 minutes and 24 seconds left. Number 17, what a ball movement by downtown. Number 17, pull up, no good. What an offensive rebound and a smart play by downtown. Inbound, 14 seconds on the shot clock to JM. JM, what a crossover. Oh, order, no good. Number 30. Number 60, counting the place for 3, no good. Number 30, foul. 2 shots.
7. Sub na. Wala.
Number 13, first shot. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. Running time. First shot, basket. Second shot.
Si Mike? Si Nakita mo lang.
Second shot, no good. One out, two from the free throw line. All possession of downtown.
Stop!
2 minutes
Stop!
and 11 seconds.
Right.
Hindi mo ba ma-force?
Stop time, 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Downtown, with an 8-point lead. Number 0. Triple T, double T. What a pass. Low shot. Traveling violation. Now Uncle Dude can force a quick run. Number 6. It's a blitz action. Number 10 wide open, hesitating. Number 30, number 26 with a single floater. Rebound, number 27.
Kaya yan?
Number 0, double team. Half court press for Uncle Dude. Wide open from the corner. Number 17 with a ball from the corner for the Dagger. Hey! 3 points. Number 26, hoping a Tracy McGrady run. 13 with a rebound, good. And downtown can just burn the clock. Double team, number 17 taking his time. Number 17, 11 seconds.
73 sa'yo.
May pa kami?
73. Sabi ni Tayo.
That steal by number 10. Number 10 for 3. So good. Downtown with 38 seconds left to get the W. Number 0, water crossover. The Dagger pass to number 27. Number 8.
Depensa tayo! Depensa!
22 seconds from the shot clock. Number 7. And they will waste the time.
Tayo! Depensa!
Kaya na?
What a good win by Downtown. Yellow. Number 13. It's a win by